Major legal defeat for former President Trump. He and his companies have been ordered to pay millions of dollars in a civil fraud case.
A judge ruling that Trump and his associates inflated his wealth to defraud banks. CBS 2's Bradley Blackburn has more on this from the newsroom.
Doug, Andrea, this is one of the largest corporate sanctions in state history and a blow for the man whose name was once synonymous with New York real estate. This morning, there are real questions about how the former president will pay this penalty because the cash required is daunting, even for a billionaire.
If I weren't running, none of this stuff would have ever happened.
Speaking from Mar-a-Lago hours after the verdict, former President Trump expressed outrage and surprise at the enormity of the penalty he's now facing.
And a lot of people expected something like this, but not for the amount.
Trump was ordered to pay more than $354 million and banned from running a business or applying for loans in New York for 3 years. His sons, Don Jr. and Eric, were each fined $4 million and banned for 2 years. It means the leadership of the family business is in doubt, and so is the future of some signature properties.
Being prohibited from doing business in your home state or the state where you have so many properties and so many business activities is an absolutely devastating sanction.
Trump and his attorneys have vowed to appeal, and some legal analysts say they have a case.
He really does have a viable argument that this is a different justice system applying to him and to his business.
The lawsuit was brought by New York Attorney General Letitia James under a state law that allows her to prosecute fraud in business dealings.
When the powerful break the law and take more than their fair share, there are fewer resources available for working people.
A fine of $355 million for doing a perfect job.
In his ruling, Judge Arthur Engoron noted that defiance, saying of Trump and other defendants, their complete lack of remorse borders on pathological. When you add this verdict to the $83 million defamation penalty a few weeks ago, former President Trump is now facing roughly $500 million in legal fines. And during any appeal, he'll still have to hand over the money to the court or secure a bond. Andrea, Doug.
Bradley Blackburn for us from the newsroom. Thank you. We have continuing coverage on this on our website. You can watch our special report from when this news first broke and also find a breakdown of Trump's net worth and business dealings. It's all on CBSNewYork.com.